Hi everybody, this is Sean, your RSA Approved Instructor here with PassFirstTime.ie, Ireland's online driving school. If you're doing your driving test at any stage in 2020, here are 3 top tips to help you on your way. Number 3, don't book your test too early. So many people are doing this now. The waiting list for driving tests has decreased dramatically over the last 12 months. So in reality, in certain test centres now, you could be up for your driving test within a week of application if you will take a cancellation. Sometimes even if you don't want a cancellation, they will call you within a week. So if your driving's at test standard, this is not a problem. But if your driving's not at test standard, you are really putting yourself under even more stress and pressure than a normal driving test candidate. So ensure before you apply, because the waiting list is low, that you are ready to take the test. That's number 3. And number 2, keeping calm is probably one of the big things you need to do on the day of your driving test. The calmer you keep, the better you will drive. Focus on the driving, not the test. So when you're driving around on test day, around the route, instead of thinking, oh my God, I wish this was over, I have failed already, my driving is terrible, you should be concentrating on what's happening in front of you. Do I need to slow down? Do I need to signal out around this car? Has the traffic light changed colour? Do I need to yield right of way at this junction? So focus on the driving. The driving test, driving part will last just over half an hour usually, under half an hour in a lot of cases. So focus on the driving and keep giving it 110% from start till finish. No matter what happens along the way, do not become the examiner yourself. Do not presume that the examiner is thinking X, Y, or Z. You focus on your driving, and what will be at the end. A lot of people who pass driving tests tell me that they felt it wasn't going well during the test, yet they have been successful. So keep trying and keep calm. And at number 1, the big tip for driving test success in 2020 is take as many driving lessons as you need. You don't want to cut on the driving lessons, fail the test, and then come out and say, I should have taken 1 or 2 more lessons. I was very close. I've only got 10 marks or whatever the case may be. And if I had taken another lesson or 2, this would have maybe helped me over the line. Remember, the cost of taking another lesson or 2 is less than the cost of reapplying for your test, rebooking lessons and rebooking a car for your driving test, because a lot of pupils now are not insured in family cars and they don't drive any other car bar their instructor's car. It is very important that you get the experience under your belt. You take enough lessons that you're going in there confidently on test day and you get it first time, which is what we're all about here at PassFirstTime.ie. Log on to the website, by the way, PassFirstTime.ie, and if you key in your details, we will send you some more helpful tips. So log on, PassFirstTime.ie. That's it for this video. Safe motoring, good luck with the test, and we'll see you in the next video.